Hi, I'm Penny Cobb Burkhalter, and at Gwatney Buick GMC, we hate cancer.
I hate cancer.
Cancer took my grandfather.
I hate cancer.
Cancer took my grandparents.
I lost my dad and my grandparents to cancer.
I hate cancer.
I lost my mom and my dad to cancer.
I hate cancer.
Our service department, well, they hate cancer too.
I hate cancer.
I hate cancer.
I hate cancer.
And our sales department, they hate cancer with a passion.
I hate cancer.
I lost 2 aunts to cancer.
Cancer took my dad from me.
I hate cancer. Cancer took family members.
I hate cancer.
Cancer took my grandmother.
I survived cancer and others can too, thanks to the research and treatments available in Central Arkansas. Right now at Gwatney Buick GMC, everything we do will have proceeds benefiting the Arkansas Leukemia and Lymphoma Society. So buying a new car or maintaining your current one is benefiting someone with cancer this month, because beating cancer is in our blood.